Want to know how to create a mini text-based alarm clock in Java? So here's a quick mini alarm clock in Java. First, we ask the user to input the alarm time in seconds. Then we use thread.sleep with seconds times 1000. So we just simply use this formula that is on the thin line as you can see right here. So we just use it to pause the program until the time is up. After the wait, we print an alert message like time's up with a clock emoji for fun. Simple, right? This teaches you how to handle timing in Java and use basic input output. You can expand it by adding hours, minutes, or even custom messages. So this is a simple line of code. You can just simply copy and modify it right here. So I'm just going to run this code to show you. So let's say I'll start alarm in 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, your alarm should come up and it should say time's up just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.